These are going to be the brand new KONE escalators here at the Marriott Copley Place in Boston, Massachusetts. These used to be Westinghouse, then KONE replaced these. No certificate, so I don't know how fast they go. I want that gone. Out there's the valet area. And there's public parking, I'm guessing, for the Copley Place Mall. There's the M Club. Here we are on 2. Here's the certificate. 90 feet per minute, 8,000 pounds. See down into the lobby, there's the front desk. Over there's the entrance to the Copley Place Mall. And then you switch back to 1080. There's the Westinghouse elevator for the Copley Place Mall. But you cannot access the mall on this level. And here we are at the top on floor 4, which is meeting room space. So I'm gonna get back down because I don't want to get busted. Over there are the elevators, I just filmed them. They're ThyssenKrupp DSCs, as you can see. Down there is the lobby. Here we are on 3. There's a gift shop on 2. The elevators really popped to my ears. Here we are on 2, and there's the Yard House. And there's an elevator over there. And there's the wonderful looking front desk. Here we are on 1. And that's it.